Hey, Steve with RV to Cycle. I just finished my annual dermatology visit at my Pennsylvania dermatologist, and everything came out great. Now I'm headed to meet Kelly at the Walmart close to the French Creek State Park campground. From there, we're going to head south. We'll stop at our youngest son's house and then on to the American Bicycle Group where we will pick up a new gravel bike. So here we go. Lunch stop at the, is this the Pennsylvania line now?
No,
Pennsylvania, Maryland?
no.
Oh.
We're a little bit away from
Well,
that.
I think it's actually the last Pennsylvania rest
Yeah,
stop before we
maybe.
get into Maryland is what it is. But lunch is already done. It's gone.
Yep, it's gone. Sorry.
And we're debating how far we're going to go. There's a road closure on one of the interstates we have to take. And we're going to do that today. We're going to do that tonight. How bad is the traffic going to be? Blah, 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 blah.
Take exit 118 CBA on the right to US 11 South. Arriving at Cracker Barrel Old Country Store on the left.
Turn Cracker Barrel fix.
It's the end of the day. And thanks to Renee, who gave us a gift card to the Cracker Barrel, we're dining at one of our favorite places. In fact, we'll also be spending the night here. So thanks, Renee.
Been 6 months. Since we
Six-
got Cracker Barrel.
6 months since we've eaten Cracker Barrel. Because once we made the decision about retirement, it was no more vacationing, so we were grounded. Everyone else is always doing sunset pictures, so I thought I'd show you ours from the Cracker Barrel. It is kind of pretty. If you can drown out the noise or tune out the noise that's drowning out the... Well, the sunset doesn't make any noise, does it? But it's kind of pretty.
Not usually.
How far we traveled yesterday?
385 miles.
Say again?
385 miles.
Okay.
Oh, I didn't know I was being recorded. I did not know I was being recorded.
And we got 160 to go today. You had to push record to get. Day 2, we were headed for Charlotte to spend a holiday with her young and his family.
How do you like yours, Clark?
Oh, medium rare, a little pink inside.
No, you're fine. Light or dark?
Oh, either way, it doesn't matter. Vicky, can I help you with that Kool-Aid? Please?
I don't know why they call this stuff hamburger helper. It does just fine by itself, huh?
Then on to Chattanooga. Chattanooga, Tennessee, home of the American Bicycle Group, manufacturers of Lightspeed, Containaroo, and Obed bicycles. And in the middle of their showroom was, you guessed it, front and center, Steve's retirement gift. There it is. Isn't that a nice looking ride? Yesterday we picked up my bike at American Bicycle Group in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and then made our way southward, spending the night at, you guessed it, a Cracker Barrel in Calhoun, Tennessee. We had both dinner and breakfast there. And while we were there, somebody left a surprise on my Jeep. We found this morning. We're outside Valdosta, Georgia, at a rest area. You might be able to tell by the loud noise. We're right next to the highway. Having lunch, and next stop was our winter home.
If we don't need food before then.
Well, yeah. Okay, we can eat. This card will save you 10 cents at the pump. All you have to do to get the card is apply. There's no cost. You don't have to give them your credit card number. Nothing. I mean, this is a great bargain for gasoline. For those of us who use gasoline in our RVs and in our cars. So here we are, filling up the Jeep and the Travado. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Don't forget to take the nozzle out before you leave.
Oh boy, is this great!
We made it.
We made it. Yay. I am so tired.
Long day, 404 miles overall.
Wow. That was a long day.
Here we
And
are.
a lot of traffic.
We have plenty of room here. We have a gazebo and a picnic table, and we have a tree. Not much of one, but we got a tree. And there's Bernie all hooked up. We have over here power, water, and sewer. And with the bike, I got this great dry back. You can see American Bicycle Group and then the 3 brands. This is fantastic. Beautiful bike and an extremely useful bag, especially in Florida when it's raining and you need to go to the shower house, which is way over there. That's it for now. Just to give you a quick idea of timeline, we've been in Florida. Tomorrow will be exactly 2 weeks. If you saw the short video yesterday, you know that we just purchased a 5th wheel, which is going to be our home for the winter here in this spot where we're back to our home location in the Gainesville, Florida area, and waiting for delivery of that 5th wheel. Appreciate you watching. Give it a thumbs up if you got anything out of this at all. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. You know, let your heart be your guide. Look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.